Hey, hello, my name is Ashlyn and I have a YouTube channel. Recently, I've been painting a lot with my Himi Miya Gouache palette. I've got it right here. Today, I will be cleaning my palette that I use quite often. Every 3 or 4 months, I do need to thoroughly clean it. These jelly gouaches can get crusty and old over time, especially if you use them a lot. This is somewhat of my routine that I go through when I'm cleaning my palette. Hi, it's me again. I am just popping in here with a few tips on cleaning and stirring your little jelly cups and how to make it an easier experience. To start off, the number one tip that I always recommend is to use a metal knife. Don't use a plastic one. You will hurt your wrists and your elbow when you're trying to stir however many cups that you have. I've got 24 cups of little jelly. And it takes me roughly 2 hours. So using the metal knife really gets into the cracks and stirs it up nicely. I find that it works even better than the miniature blenders that you can buy at like Blick or Michael's. Tip number 2 is to use different types of spray, travel size bottles with water to soften the jelly cups when you're mixing them. Depending on how crusty they are, you may need a water bottle and just pour some water and let it sit there for maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Let it soften before you even start stirring. Water is what I use as my mixing medium. I don't use anything else. I haven't had any issues with mold or mildew, but for my third tip, use Lysol. Preferably even if the Lysol has bleach as well. Disinfectant, wipes, this is another one. Clean your actual palette. Anything to get rid of or disinfect potential bacterial growth that comes in the form of mold or mildew from moisture. We want to eliminate that. Our jelly cups have a lot of moisture in them. That's how they stay nice and jelly-like, so no bacteria is growing. Those were my 3 tips to help you when you're cleaning your palette. Use a metal knife, use a travel spray bottle, or just some water and disinfect. Keep this process to keep a clean, healthy palette every 3 to 4 months if you are an active painter like I am. Enjoy this time lapse of the jelly stirring. See you at the end of the video. it's the end of the video. Yay! I am so proud of you for watching the whole video. Thank you so much. If you want, leave a like. If you also want, subscribe. I post every Sunday on YouTube and I post on Instagram 4 to 5 times a week. So check that out as well in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click on this one on the screen and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.